Baechea, Duamaki Papelo, yo, Ayaya Hera, Wayo Beata, Wakia Oya Dewa, Hola Baki Papelo, yo, Ayaya.
Welcome. My name is Marina Havriliak, and I am a graduate student at Brooklyn College. I'm here to raise funds for my thesis documentary film entitled Bringing a Natural Sound to an Unnatural World, featuring Lakota Sioux native Reuben Vastors, a member of the Standing Rock Reservation in South Dakota. Reuben is a Lakota musician, Heyoka, also known as a sacred clown in Lakota culture, professor of Lakota language at New York University, and a frequent guest speaker for Indigenous language conferences at the United Nations. His work is a powerful bridge between generations, cultures, and the history of our nation. By traveling to South Dakota with Reuben, the film will delve into his young life on the Standing Rock Reservation and his early rejection and eventual embrace of the Lakota culture. Production of this documentary has begun, but in order to continue filming, I need your help. Our goal is to raise $12,000 for production costs, which will include shooting on location in South Dakota with Reuben Vastors and my crew. Supporters will receive a digital copy of the film and recognition in the film's credits. Please share this video with family, friends, and the public to help me reach my goal and tell this story. Wampila Thanka et Chichie.